Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 24th of April, 2021. And this is the weekly technical analysis for the spot gold and dollar yen for the fourth week of April. Let's begin with spot gold here. And after a bullish close the previous week, it has been caught in a range between the 55 and 200 EMAs. It bounced off the 55 on Tuesday and was blocked by the 200 EMA, just shy of hitting the 1800 resistance zone, and pull back further on the Friday, volatile Friday, with a swing up to retest the resistance and almost reaching the support as well. So the key support now is at the confluence of the 55 and 10 SMA, 55 EMA and a 10 SMA here. So that should be the support zone, and resistance zone is still going to be at the 1800. So it was not able to break through higher after attempt on a Wednesday. So this week, this coming Wednesday, there's FOMC meeting, so that is going to be a key trigger for the US dollar index, and that will determine how the spot gold and other major pairs react as well in the inverse correlation. So for the moment, there is support at the daily 55 EMA, and you can see that it's just below that is the weekly pivot for last week, and resistance is going to be at the 1800 round figure. So it could attempt to bounce off the 55 again and target the 1800 level. If it does break through, then it's going to go for the 55th retracement of this swing move down. Yes, at 1818. And if it does weaken further, then there is still support at the next round figure at 1750, with further support from the 21-5 retracement. And it could also just consolidate for the week between these two major EMAs, the medium term 55 EMA and the longer term 200 EMA. All right, there are other minor news with consumer confidence on Tuesday and advanced GDP, but focus will be on the FOMC policy meeting. Let's also take a look at the dollar index, the US dollar index, the XY, and you can see that on Monday, that's where it fell below the interim support, pull back to retest this previous support, and then continue lower. That's the falling tree methods there, and it could attempt to target the 138 FIB extension. So it's all started from breakdown from this swing low here, and where the 55 EMA was. So this week will be a critical one, and the FOMC could be a main trigger, whether it could break down lower or whether it can recover and bounce back up to at least retest this 100 pip area. So we'll see. There could be a lot of volatility during that period, and it could also move before the news and press conference. All right, let's go back to the spot gold, and let's take a quick look on the 4-hour time frame. And it has tested the 4-hour 55 EMA for support, and we'll see if it's able to continue higher to test the 1800. If it does, there could be a rejection and a bearish move down short term, or could be worse if the US dollar rises. All right, let's take a look at dollar yen. And as the US dollar weakened, so did the dollar yen, with a sharp move down on Monday into the support zone, and along with the daily 55 EMA, but it's been creeping lower since then. Friday closed below that, just below the key support at the 108. So we'll see if this turns into resistance, and this started from the 109, and that will be resistance now. Next support zone is between the 107 and the 50 pip retracement, and that's the retracement of this swing down lower. It did climb up above 78.6, but then has now retreated back down again and threatening to dip down into that support zone. So we'll see if as for the bearish move, bearish momentum this week, and perhaps consolidation. And we'll see if it's able to bounce back and recover back up. Right, so all eyes is on the FOMC meeting and policy decisions, and to see whether they will start tapering their asset purchase. And if they do that, then it could be a short-term bullish move for the US dollar. Otherwise, if they stay pat and just like the ECB, then it could just be a resumption of a bearish move. So important week coming up for the US dollar. All right, so do watch out for my other videos on the other major pairs and Ichimoku analysis as well. Stay safe and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.